Careful, Aaron. Hang on, you finished, Chloe?
Oh no, I'm shocking. Oh.
Aaron, what's the matter?
Shame. Shame. Oh. Shame. Oh. I don't even know. It's well not to hit that.
What? Have you finished?
Yeah.
Mummy. Are you coming in, Becky?
You are?
I think she's finished. Do you want me to do it?
What's she saying?
I don't know. Hang on.